How to customize your keyboard shortcut in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hello guys, welcome back to Premiere Essential. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can change the default keyboard shortcut to whatever you want. Like if you want to change any shortcut key. So without any further ado, let's get started. So using keyboard shortcut, making your editing workflow very fast and speed up your workflow. So if you want to change any default key, like for selection tool you have to press V on your keyboard. For ripple edit tool you have to press B. You have to press Ctrl plus R or Command plus R for speed and duration options. You have to press T button on your keyboard to access the text tool. So if you want to change any of these default keys, like you want to access selection tool with the help of A, so how we can change all the keyboard shortcut. So no worry, for changing the keyboard shortcut, we have a separate section. Simply navigate to edit, and then here we have a separate section for keyboard shortcut. You can access it with Ctrl plus Alt plus K, or on the Mac you can access it with Command plus Alt plus K. So please click on this. After that you can see all the keyboard shortcut here, like you can see here V for selection tool and C for razor tool, and here are the some default shortcut key you can see here. Like for ripple time, next edit to playhead, here we have a default key which is W, and track selection tool we have A. For audio gain we have G. So there are the default keys. So how we can change? When you go on the left bottom, you can see here are two sections are available, like application and panels. In the application, you can see all the default keys, like we have selection tool. We can access the selection tool with the help of shortcut. Here is the shortcut denoted here. For track select backward tool, we have Shift A, and then all the default key you can see here. If you want to change any of the default keys, you have to simply cross this section, and now we have no shortcut for selection tool. So if I want to access the selection tool with another key, we have to press another key on keyboard. Like what key we want to assign for selection tool. Like I want to assign selection tool for A. Now we can access selection tool with the help of A shortcut. And now you can see in the bottom, here is an alert. The shortcut is already in use by another application command, track select forward tool. After assigning the shortcut, you can simply hit the OK button. But for now, we will explore some of the other default keys. Like in the file section, if you open the file section, here is the open project. Here are the default keys. Like you can see, for the open project, you have Ctrl plus O. Open production, you have no key. So you can assign any key for open production team or open team project. For close the default key is Ctrl plus W. For capture we have F5. For import we have Ctrl I. So if I want to change Ctrl I to only I, so simply cross them, enter I. If you assign a same key for different command, you can see the error in the bottom of the panel. Like I is already in use by another application command mark in. That command will no longer have a shortcut. So by assigning the I to import, mark in doesn't work after that. So remember this. Simply Ctrl plus I have assigned. For export, you can see here for media Ctrl plus M. Here are all the default shortcut key you have in Premiere Pro. Like Premiere Pro provides you all the shortcuts key, all the keyboard shortcut that you can use easily. So if I want to change any shortcut key, simply click on, or you can search here for like edit, and here are the edit tool, ripple edit tool, which is B, ripple, rolling edit tool, which is N, undo, cut. Here are all the default keys. So if I want to change any, simply cross them and then assign a new key. Simply press a new key like T or another key. So after assigning the new shortcut for any command, you have to simply click on OK. But now I have to click on cancel, because it will change my shortcut, all the shortcuts. So please take care of it. After that, simply click OK. But here I have changed one default key, which is C or X. Like you can edit, you can make a cut with the C by default, but I have assigned to X. Like when I press X on keyboard, it may cut in my clip. You can see here, because C is not working in my keyboard. so I assigned X to for make a cut in my clip. So that was the short video, or that was the main video, like how you can customize your keyboard shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment. Our team will coordinate with you, or our team will revert with answer. If you like the video, please give it thumbs up and share with your friends, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So goodbye for today. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.